This is Better from Rafe and welcome to my channel. For those who are new, I want to give you the warmest welcome. I have something new for you guys. Well, I dyed my hair by myself here at home just a few hours ago, and this is the result that I got. It is a bit lighter than what I used to have it. I sort of did like a ombre, but I already had, for those who already tuned to my channel or who know me, you know that I had my hair a different color, which was the baby lights, you know, balayage is what I had. So that's why my hair is now like in between colors, because the lightest colors that I already had basically became an ash blonde, but the ones that were my natural hair color, they just basically got a lighter copper kind of color. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I achieved this look, let me show you. This is the outcome of my hair. If you guys can see. Okay, so if you guys want to know how I achieved this look, just continue watching the video, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the products that I used. I am going to put a little clip, show you a video on how I did this whole process, and well, let me just talk to you about what I did. So for bleaching my hair, I did use this, and supposedly if you have your hair this brown, it will be this blonde. But I did not leave it on for as long as it said for me to leave it on, because I was afraid to basically ruin my hair. I only left it on for 20 minutes. I'm being real with you. I only left it on for 20 minutes because I've had a bad experience trying to bleach my hair when I was in high school.
Obviously, I had no kind of idea what the hell I was doing, so maybe that's why.
Anyways, but this time I did do a lot of research before I even dyed my hair, because I didn't want to go through that again. Having my hair look like 3 different colors, meaning like red, that orange burnt color you get when you bleach your hair, and my natural hair color.
It was like 3 colors. It was insane. So I didn't want to go through that again.
So I did get informed, and here my baby girl's playing. And okay, that's what I did. So I did use that Loriferia, and what I did was, with a brush, I would just apply it, and I would slightly go up, not as much as you can see. If there were anything that I would change about this whole process, is that I would have had gone a little bit higher on the inner areas, like I did a little bit on this side. But overall, I'm not upset with this. Like, I like it. I at least didn't like dye all of my hair, because to be honest, I could not do that, because
if I would have messed up, I would have been, you know what, let's go bald, because probably, I'm just kidding, but
yeah, that's why I didn't go all the way up, because I didn't want to mess up my hair with the bleach and then having to cut it off and then just have short hair. So yeah, so after I used this and I rinsed it off, and I did use the conditioner that came with it, and then I just dried with a towel, and then I went in and mixed these two with just in a container. I just mixed these together and just apply that, and I did last with this for like 40 minutes. And this is supposed to be the what's it called, lightest ash blonde. So I don't know, I did get the result only on the lightest colors, which were the baby lights that I already had before I dyed my hair. Only on those little pieces of strands of hair is where I got that ash blonde color. So yeah, I did leave that on for 40 minutes, and I just I didn't rinse it off. I just got in the shower and I just took it all off. I put the shampoo on, the one that I bought, the purple shampoo that I show you in the clip. And also for conditioner, I used the little packet that I got as well. And yeah, and I just like blow dry and did my hair a little bit wavy, and that's it. So yeah. So guys, if you, I am not a professional at all, so if you want to wing it just like I did, well, you can go ahead and watch this video. If it's helpful for you, then I'm happy. But if it's not, that's okay, because I am not a professional, and I'm trying here to tell you guys how to do this. I'm just showing you guys how I did it and my outcome, just so you can get a little bit more of an idea of what could happen if you just do it on your own. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and
well, that'll be it for today's video. I know I've been MIA with, this whole week that I haven't been posting much, but it's because I haven't been able to, as much as I've been wanting to, because I love to make videos for you guys. But just stay connected. I will keep on posting, just bear with me, and I hope you guys enjoy